Hey guys, so I just got my pet hair removing glove and I'm gonna show you guys. So it comes all thin, it comes vacuum sealed, which is really nice. And so, I mean, it's super simple. You just simply put on the gloves, you gather the hair, and you wipe where you're going, and then it cleans the glove. So, so I know there's a bunch of pet hair and stuff like that over on this couch. So yeah, so as you can see, it has a little thing for it, and then you go like that. Oh yeah, yeah, I can already see it picking up stuff. Let's see. I mean, I got my dog over here, and I can tell it's already. Oh yeah, it feels nice after using this for sure. I mean, you can tell it's taking all the stuff away, and it's nice and it's totally working. I mean, I can see all of her hair on it. But come on, Penny, come here. Penny, come here. Okay, well, she's not coming over here. But anyway, this glove is perfect and it feels nice. And then all you do to clean the glove is you just rinse it off with a little bit of water, and that's super easy. So, and it's got this little strap here to hold your hand on it, so you can just go over everything with it. Yeah, there you go. And it just gets everything off. I mean, she's a tiny dog, so she don't have much hair, but when you have a lot of hair, I mean, that's already getting all the stuff off of it. And I can go just rinse it off. So that's perfect, and I definitely would give this pet hair removing glove a thumbs up.